Hello, Sandra Fuentez with Fuentez Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. Are you in the middle of a custody dispute case? If so, you'll want to listen to my tips to help. First and foremost, all communication with the other parent should be through a parenting app or should be via text message, because this is going to avoid in the future, for court purposes, any he said, she said, didn't happen, did happen. You've got everything in text messages, in writing, that you can use for evidence purposes. Secondly, do what you're supposed to do per the court order obligation. So if you've been ordered in a temporary order to start and maintain health insurance and to pay child support, do it. It's a court order. You need to follow it. You need to pay your child support on time. You need to pay your medical support on time, or you need to provide your child with that insurance. Okay? If there's anything in there that you're supposed to be doing or not doing, or notifying the other parent, you're going to want to make sure at the minimum you just do what's in the court order and what's expected of you. If you have a question about whether you should do something or not, before you say anything, before you do anything, call your family law attorney and find out what you need to do, what's the best course of action, because you're always thinking about that final trial or that future mediation, because what you're doing in the middle of a divorce case while the attorneys are gathering information and documents is super important, because we want to establish you as a stable, abiding parent, meaning you are listening to your court order, doing what's expected to you, and putting your children's interest ahead of your own interest. And you'll also want to watch your language with the other parent. Don't talk crazy. Talk civil, rational. If they speak to you like that, take a step back before you respond. Give yourself some fresh breaths, some free time, and then respond accordingly, only addressing any issue with your children. You don't need to come back with what your thoughts personally are on them. So these are just little tips I tell my clients to help them in a custody case, because it's the little things that courts look at as well. They're going to look at the big picture, but then when it comes to that thin black line where the judge might not be sure, it's the little things that they're going to be looking at.